Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Thinkific site using DropInBlog. The first thing we need to do is install the DropInBlog app from within your Thinkific account. To do that, once logged into your Thinkific account, on the left sidebar, look for Integrations and click on it. This action will take you to the Integrations page. From there, click on the Visit App Store button on the upper right. You'll be taken to Thinkific's App Store. In the search bar, type in DropInBlog, hit Enter. Once the results appear, click on the DropInBlog app here. In the DropInBlog app page, click on Install just below the DropInBlog logo. You'll be asked to give DropInBlog permission to use your Thinkific data to create an account. Go ahead and click on Accept and Install on the bottom right of the page. A DropInBlog account will automatically be created for you, and you'll be directed to your DropInBlog blog posts page. To check if the DropInBlog app has been successfully installed to your Thinkific site, simply return to your Thinkific Integrations page, hit refresh or click on the Integrations option in the left sidebar again, and the DropInBlog app should appear under Installed Apps like so. Now that you've installed the DropInBlog app to your Thinkific site, you'll be able to create a new page to show off your new blog. To do that, back on the Thinkific dashboard, navigate to Channels on the left, then click on Website. You'll be taken to the website page. Then click on Custom Pages over here. Then click on New Custom Page. In the pop-up, name your page under page name. To be simple, we'll type in blog. Once you're satisfied with your page name, click on Create Page on the bottom right of the pop-up. You'll be taken to the site editor. If you are not automatically taken to your site editor, from your dashboard, click on Channels. Then click on Website. Your page will appear first as the most recently created one. Click on your blog page, and you'll be taken to your editor. We'll just remove this banner section to keep things clean. In the left, under Sections, click on Add Section over here. In the pop-up, look for DropInBlog. Then under that, click on Blog. You'll be able to see your blog posts in the preview right here. Click on Save. And just like that, you've added a blog page to your Thinkific site. To check out your blog, simply click on this chain icon to copy your blog page link. Paste the link in the address bar and hit Enter. And there is your blog. Some additional information about DropInBlog. If you go to your DropInBlog account to the Layout page, under Design Customizations, you'll see multiple ways you can customize your blog. From here, you can change your link colors, whether you'd like to have your links underlined or not, change your font and change the heading font. If you'd like to apply a frame to your blog images, change the number of posts per row on your blog, display the first post as your featured post, as well as customizations for your call to action button. And that is how you add a blog to your Thinkific site using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!